So I am going to give you some updates about YouTube Shorts. So if that is something that you are looking for, please stick with me till the end because there are some staggering figures that you should be knowing about. Now the first question that comes to our mind is whether YouTube Shorts will be able to give a tough time to TikTok platform. Now TikTok is a platform where young people are spending 15 seconds to 20 seconds to get into fame. Now again, YouTube Shorts is probably going to be of that particular range of time, 15 seconds to maybe 30 seconds. They have still not come up with the exact time, but we can assume that it could be around that figure. Now, there is some staggering figures that I was talking about during the start of the video. India users have spent around 5.5 billion hours of watch time on TikTok in 2019. Now that's a huge market share of watch time, and probably YouTube is trying to focus on that and they are trying to capture that as the market share. YouTube users are probably coming from the tier 1 city of India, and YouTube is maybe focusing on tier 2 and tier 3 cities, and that is why YouTube Shorts come into picture, because it is very much easier for them to actually create videos for 15 seconds or 20 seconds, rather than creating creating videos which are having of more watch time. And that is not only the benefit, the other benefit, if you see, that it would definitely help for new content creators like us, because for us, like for me, it is very difficult to feature my video in the search of YouTube and bring it to your view, right? Because if the video is not featuring in the search, then definitely you will not be coming across and clicking that. And that is why I always feel that if you can support new content creators like us by subscribing and commenting below and also liking the video, it helps, and YouTube algorithm likes that kind of an engagement. It will definitely help for content creators to bring those videos more interesting information to you. YouTube is having around 23 crore regional users in India, and they want to increase that particular share. They want to increase that amount of users through the YouTube Shorts. So if you ask me whether YouTube Shorts is going to be a game changer, I think yes. And if you are an aspirant of a new content creator, I definitely feel that this is going to help you in the long run. Now just think about that. And also there's another interesting fact if I say that Facebook has also thought of a similar platform like TikTok, and that is called Lasso, and they are quietly testing that out in Brazil, and once that is done, they would maybe bringing it live in Facebook. And then just think about that situation when Facebook's Lasso, YouTube's YouTube Shorts, and you have the TikTok, they are all coexisting, and then they are competing against each other to have the market share. And if you ask me who will actually benefit from that, it is definitely going to be YouTube. So if you feel that YouTube Shorts is definitely going to be a game changer, please type below yes. That's all. You just type below yes. It will let me know that you guys also agree to what I feel. But in case you don't agree that YouTube Shorts is going to make a difference, please also let me know about your opinion, and don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Thank you. Bye bye and have a nice time.